Hi, welcome back to Konkani Khan and Ikjevan. Today we are going to make Masanga Sange Patal Sukke or Olle Sukke as it's called, which is a Konkani curry with dal, drumsticks and a spicy coconut masala. We need fresh green drumsticks or Masanga sang as we call it, tur dal and a tomato or dharvya salt for soreness. Pressure cook half cup of tur dal with a tomato or dharvya salt. Cook the drumsticks with a little salt and water until soft. Now add the cooked dal to the drumsticks and water for the required consistency. Add salt to taste. Bring it to a boil. Since we have already salted the drumsticks, make sure to add lesser salt than usual. Meanwhile, we can prepare the soye masool or the coconut masala. Take half cup of grated coconut, red chilies and a quarter teaspoon of haldi in a mixer jar. Grind this to a smooth, thick paste. Now add this masool to the boiling dal and simmer for only 2 minutes. For the seasoning, heat oil in a kadai and splatter 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Then add half teaspoon of urad dal and a quarter teaspoon of methi and let it brown. Switch off and add the curry leaves. Now add the seasoning to the cooked dal. Your curry is ready to be served with plain rice. You can make more varieties in this way with moong and papaya as a combo, or tur dal, cabbage and potato, or even tur dal and gabbo, that is banana stem. For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.